Doc 404 helps you fix broken links by creating redirect rules. In this video, we'll cover WildCard and RegEx redirects and when to use each one. Let's start with WildCard redirects. Imagine your blog posts were previously under the snowboarding section, and you've now renamed it to a more general extreme sports section. Old links still point to the snowboarding URLs, which results in 404 errors. To fix this, go to Redirect Rules. In the Redirect From field, enter the old path using a wildcard. In the Redirect To field, enter the new destination. Then click Create Redirect. The wildcard symbol and asterisk captures everything after /snowboarding and automatically appends it to the new /extreme sports path. This allows you to redirect all existing posts with a single rule. To confirm it's working, let's visit our old /snowboarding URL and check that it redirects to the updated /extreme sports page. Now that we're done, let's take a look at RegEx Redirect, which is used for more advanced cases. RegEx, short for regular expressions, gives you more flexibility when matching URLs. For example, you can redirect all URLs that contain a specific value such as a year or keyword, regardless of where it appears in the path. We removed all products from 2025 and want to redirect users to our 2026 collection, so let's do that and test it out. As a guideline, use WildCard redirects for simple, structured URL changes. Use RegEx redirects for complex or irregular patterns. If you need help or have any questions, contact our 24/7 support team. We're always here to help.